In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed ClickUp in Notion. This is a simple but very useful way to bring your task management and project tracking directly into your Notion workspace so everything stays connected and easy to access. To begin, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the exact content you want to embed. This can be a single task, a full task list, a folder, or even a larger project view. The important thing here is choosing what makes the most sense for how you plan to use it inside Notion. Some people prefer embedding a full project so they can monitor progress at a glance, while others only need access to a specific list or task. Once you have found the item you want, look toward the top right corner of the ClickUp interface and click the Share option. When you do this, a small pop-up window will appear with different sharing settings. The goal here is to generate a link that Notion can recognize and embed properly. From the sharing options, make sure the item can be accessed through a link, then copy the private link provided by ClickUp. After copying the link, switch over to your Notion page where you want the ClickUp content to appear. Click anywhere on the page to place your cursor, then type /embed. Notion will automatically show the embed option. Select it, then paste the ClickUp link you copied earlier into the field provided. Once the link is pasted, click the Embed Link option to confirm. After embedding, the link will appear on your Notion page. When you click it, you will be redirected directly back to ClickUp, allowing you to quickly access your tasks or projects without searching for them again. This setup helps keep your workflow organized and saves time by connecting both tools in one place. That is it. You have successfully embedded ClickUp in Notion and can now manage your work more efficiently across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.